Mastering the present perfect tense. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to be diving deep into the world of verbs, and more specifically, we'll be discussing a fascinating tense in English grammar: the present perfect tense. It's an important part of English language, and understanding it can significantly enhance your fluency. So, let's jump right in. The present perfect tense is used to express a situation that started in the past and continues in the present, or an action that happened at an unspecified time before now. It's formed by using have or has, depending on the subject, followed by the past participle of the verb. Here's a simple formula for the present perfect tense. Subject plus has, have plus past participle. For example, I have finished my homework. He has left the party. In the first sentence, the verb finished is the past participle of finish, and in the second, left is the past participle of leave. You should use the present perfect tense in the following situations. 1. Unspecified time before now, when the exact time is not important or not known. 2. Example, she has visited France. Here, we don't know when she visited France. 3. Experiences, when you want to talk about your experiences or someone else's. 4. Example, I have traveled to 3 different countries. 5. Change over time, when you want to talk about how something or someone has changed over time. 6. Example, my English has really improved since last semester. 7. Accomplishments, when you want to talk about something someone has accomplished. 8. Example, scientists have split the atom. 9. An incomplete action you are expecting, when the action is expected to be finished in the future. 10. Example, I have written 3 pages of my essay. Here, the speaker expects to write more pages of the essay. While using the present perfect tense, it's easy to fall into certain common traps. Here are some of them. 1. Not using have or has. Remember, you always need to use have or has before the past participle. 2. Incorrect. I gone to the store. 3. Correct. I have gone to the store. 4. Using specific time phrases. The present perfect is usually used without specific time expressions. 5. Incorrect. I have visited Paris last year. 6. Correct. I visited Paris last year. Or, I have visited Paris. 7. Forgetting the past participle. It's important to use the past participle form of the verb. 8. Incorrect. He has went to the gym. 9. Correct. He has gone to the gym. That wraps up our guide to the present perfect tense. We hope this video has been helpful in improving your understanding of this important aspect of English grammar. Practice using the present perfect tense in your day-to-day conversations and written communications to get more comfortable with it. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any language. Until next time, happy learning!